the Naruto character you've all been waiting for. Imagine I did this on Saturday. People waiting for Naruto. Cappuccino Assassino. Is he Uchiha? Or, like, if we give him a Sharingan, that'd be hilarious. Landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, eyebrows, right? Kind of, yeah. Start here. He's angry. He's an angry cappuccino. Itachi killed his whole family. And then we go this way. He has vowed to get revenge from Itachino. Espresso Ino. If you don't watch Naruto, you won't know what I'm talking about. So, big eye circle. 1, 2. And then another one here. Like so. And then he's like a white highlight up here. And then a black pupil somewhere in the middle. And I'll color this black. Da-da-da-da. Okay, so side of his face, like the white part of the cup, say, we'll just do here beside the eyes. And then he has the thing that protects your hands from his unbelievable fire jutsu inside the cup. Okay, then the bottom of the cup. So it's got 2 layers, so curves around, always following the cylinder shape. Like that. He's not allowed to speak. And then the headband, so the Naruto sort of standard headband shape. And then this goes up. Boom. It's kind of thin actually compared to okay. Then we have the leaf. Cappuccino is a leaf ninja. He's not really an assassin, he's a ninja. He should be called Cappuccino Ninjasanino, in my opinion. That's just my scientific observation. And then metal studs. And we'll do that line that. Right, he's a Leaf Village ninja. So here, Spike. Curving around for the spiral. Right, and then the lid of the cup. So yeah, it goes. We got a little bit of the white part of the cup still there, just following this. Right, and then it seems to go up this way around the top again. Up here. And we'll go right across. Boom. And then here, there, and then across the top again. And there's like a lip or something sticking out here. I'm not sure what this is. And then headband, sort of got this bumpy, sort of tied ribbon area. And then it comes this way. And then a little bit out the top. Will I give him a shine again? Right, so legs. Curving. Goes around with cartoony sort of legs. Little pipes kind of. And then top of his shoe. Curving around. Like that. And then a real big boot. Just here. And then the sole of his shoe. And then those two katana, so swords. So first his arms. Pretty much the same on that side. Right, and the sort of, so the thumb is kind of like first, I think. Like a roundy sort of hand. Just these roundy fingers, kind of cartoony fingers. And then the handle down that way. There's like a gold end. Diamonds. Right, and then, so the sword itself, the blade of it, boom. It's kind of sharp, pointy on top. Down there. It's got like a gold end, and then a line in the middle. Okay, we do this over this side as well. So the hand is like here. And these cartoony fingers. So that's like his thumb. Then the handle. That's like the hand guard of it. And then sharp sword. Down there. I might give him a Sharingan. I want to do it. So, let's see. I might remove this. This might be a joke. So one, we go one here. You probably can't see the other ones. I'm giving him a scar. He's like Kashi. Sorry for the noise now in the back. I might remove that. I don't know. That's funny. That is funny to me. Okay. See you next one. Bye.